Today I'm going to show you how to create a preset in Premiere Pro. So if we take my audio clip here, you'll see I've applied 3 different effects to it: reverb, EQ, and denoise. I want to reuse these effects because I quite like them and I don't want to have to apply them individually every time. So we're going to create a preset. So select all of them, right click and go to Save Preset. You can rename it anything you like, so I'll just say Audio Preset and click OK. You've now created a preset. To reuse it, you just have to go to Effects in the top right and go to Presets. Here you can see Audio Preset. Now, if I delete these effects, so if I go over here, delete denoise, parametric, and reverb, if I just want to apply all of those again, I can grab the preset I just made, drag it onto my audio clip, and here you go. They're all there. I hope that helps. See you in the next one.